Are you interested in freelance job opportunities and want to work and earn from home? If yes, this video is for you.
Online platforms where you can earn money from home, and these are freelance platforms where you can get the job and complete the job and earn money. These jobs are freelance platforms where you can work as per your own schedule, and these are flexible opportunities. So if you're not having any kind of experience, or you're a fresher, you are a student, you are a housewife, you are a college going student, so you can apply.
A freelance position here, you will be working as Hindi writer, and the average pay rate is around 7.5 US dollars per hour. And here you will be working as an Hindi writing expert, and you will be helping AI model to respond better. This is a work from home freelance opportunity where you can work from home or anywhere. You can create your own schedule. You can work anytime when you want, and the payment will be weekly. The company's name is Outlier, and this is a global opportunity. So here, if you're not aware of Outlier, so Outlier is a company that helps AI models by providing human feedback. And if you have experience in Hindi writing, you could be a good fit for this position. So here, Outlier is looking for talented writers with fluency in Hindi to help train generative AI models. Outlier is looking for talented writers who are fluent in Hindi to help train generative AI models. This is a freelance remote opportunity, and work hours are flexible, so you can work whenever you want. As a Hindi freelance writer, you need to read Hindi text in order to rank a series of responses that were produced by an AI model. You will be writing a short story in Hindi about a given topic, and you need to assess whether a piece of Hindi text produced by an AI model is factually accurate. So, if you already have some experience in writing, or a professional translator, or you have professional writing experience in copywriting, or like journalism, or technical writer or editor, etc., you will be a good fit for this position. You can also apply for this job if you have enrolled for an undergraduate program in a humanities or writing related field, or if you are already a graduate in the field of creative writing. The payment rate is around 7.5 US dollars per hour for Hindi writing experts. However, this is not the fixed rate. This may vary depending on depending on your skills, expertise, and the qualification that you have, the location where you are residing, and the project that you are working upon. The pay rate will vary. This is an easy freelance kind of job, so you can start this job if you are a student, you are a housewife, or you are a fresher, or if you just want to start a side income.
Interesting opportunity. Here you can work as an AI trainer, and this is a fully remote job. This is a worldwide job. Here the company's name is Pareto AI, and this is the company's website. And here they have said that apply to join open projects as an AI trainer. So the company offers different projects related to AI training. You are not required to have any kind of particular experience or particular skill to apply for these jobs. I have mentioned that fill out a general interest survey. So you first need to apply through their website, and then they will be reaching out to you as per their project's need. Here they have mentioned that we will notify selected applicants about upcoming projects based on their expertise. If you are selected, get ready to showcase your skills through a fully paid trial. So they will be providing for every project, they will be providing paid training. Then start earning. So get paid twice a month. We offer paid training to familiarize you with the tasks you will be working on, and tools you will be using. Although they have not mentioned the pay rate, but they have mentioned that they will be providing competitive pay. This job is a part-time remote job. You can create your own schedule. This will be totally flexible work arrangements. You can work on projects alongside your full-time job or as a supplemental income source. So this is a totally part-time or freelance kind of job where you are free to work as much as you want, or you can work at your own schedule, at your own pace, and you can choose the projects that you wish to work upon. So they have mentioned that we provide comprehensive training materials and ongoing support. You will be getting training for the projects that you wish to work upon. So you just need to have a laptop or computer or a desktop, and a stable internet connection to start working with the company. Online tutoring platform. where you can work in your free time and earn money. So this is a flexible kind of opportunity, and you can choose your number of hours to work, and here you can earn money by helping students in their homeworks. Students used to submit their questions on the platform, and as an online tutor, you can choose your own subject to work upon, and accordingly you can decide if you wish to answer that question. So you can charge around like $50 to $200 per question. It depends on you. The company's name is StudyGate. Here, the company offers online tutoring platform where you can answer questions, help students, and get paid. So, if you studied hard in school and want to monetize that expertise, you will find a fit with StudyGate. So, this is an online kind of opportunity where you can earn money in your free time, and you can choose your own number of hours and the subject that you wish to work upon. So, if you are an undergrad, no matter if you are a college student, you're a housewife, or anyone who wish to have a side hustle, you can apply for this job. The only required thing is that your undergrad should be completed. You are working on a master's degree or a PhD in maths, some area of science, business, programming, or the humanities. You are in a TA position, or maybe even doing a postdoc, or you have already been offering homework help online for years. So if you have already been completed your undergrad program and you have enrolled for your masters, you can apply on the platform and start earning. So people are working here from different parts of the world. So StudyGate offers homework help services to college students in North America and Asia. Students want help with their homework. This is kind of like bidding system, and here you will be working as a freelancer. This is not a full-time or part-time employment role. They use bid system to assign work. StudyGate doesn't ask you to have a like certificate or like as a certified teacher. Tutors can make around like $13,000 a month, whereas top tutors on the platform used to charge around like $50 to $200 per question on average.